Besides plastics, one of the most widely used materials for packaging is metal cans. The Veton Maka automatic can body maker can produce 40 of these metal cans in just 1 minute. To achieve this, printing must first be completed on a metal sheet. Then both ends of the sheet are welded together to create a round cylindrical shape. Operating this process is truly effortless because the machine features auto-view technology that detects whether the weld seams on the cans remain properly aligned. It also includes a servo motor that accurately positions each can onto the expanding spindle. After forming is complete, every can is transferred to the double-squeeze flanging machine to form the bottom and top flanges on the bodies. The final stage involves moving them to the bottom seamer, where all can bodies are inverted and prepared for transfer to the collection table. Next up is Walter H. Camper GmbH's production of heavy-duty bolts and high-strength nuts. Before anything else, every part must pass through rigorous cleaning and cutting stations. From there, they are heated and forged by powerful presses. This ensures the intended shape is attained. Then they are formed into the specified rings. However, the process doesn't end here. Before release or final approval, each item undergoes strength testing. This stage is critical because these bolts and nuts are used on construction sites requiring exceptional durability. Earlier we discussed can body production. Now let's examine a welding machine used in that exact process. This is the Rock 306, a unit capable of producing large quantities of food and oil containers. With demand for canned containers rising daily, it's essential that your equipment can match the pace. The One-Row 306 can manufacture 350 cans in just 1 minute. Additionally, you can program the machine's speed and can dimensions based on your requirements. This not only boosts factory productivity 100-fold but also ensures a rapid return on investment. Operation is hassle-free as well, thanks to numerous sensors that grip and move each can between manufacturing stages. Next is the Tuso, renowned for producing some of the finest spindles available. With this equipment, you're assured high-quality spindles regardless of varying diameters, steps, or lengths as specified in the blueprint or sample. For segments or lifting applications, the machine handles all directional movements and works with numerous attachments and tools. You'll be amazed that Tuso can even produce additional segment rings to achieve superior output quality. Furthermore, they use SAE 1020 and 1045 steel for outstanding grinding and polishing, delivering highly durable spindles. Regarding welding equipment, we have the RCM double-axle friction welding machine from Jenny Rishang Machinery. This unit features advanced modeling capabilities and a distinctive double-bed design that offers greater workspace for operators. The impressive system also includes a new axle housing clamp paired with a positioning device to maintain precision and accuracy throughout welding. Welding requires consistent drive power, which the premium hydraulic system oversees. For oversight, the machine includes a full monitoring setup where operators can store and track welding data. Recognized as a high-speed vertical band sawmill, the Mior sawmill also highlights its angled long carriage that enables smooth, vibration-free intake of saw bands. It's clearly built for high-volume, quality-focused cutting of both softwood and hardwood logs. The equipment effectively merges speed, energy savings, and maximum wood yield for the job. Moreover, operators can set it for single or double-sided cutting depending on operational needs. Next comes the Teskier MFG Model 742, a thread roller that can handle up to 12-inch diameter parts using 340,000 pounds of rolling force. Although designed for heavy-duty tasks, this unit keeps operating costs low. It incorporates a servo drive for precision and independent spindle drive control. Cable cars, bridges, and large cranes all depend on ropeways. That's why Fatser AG manufactures top-tier ropes in the industry. To guarantee quality, every wire's tensile strength is measured and verified. If it meets standards, the wires go into a stranding machine that pulls the cables onto a twisting head to lock the strands securely. Grease is applied, and the assembly passes through a ropeway cage that spins and binds the strands. Once the target diameter and strength are achieved, the ropes are tested again. Finally, we have PVC pipes from the Amut Group. These are created via extrusion of raw materials. An Amut Group extrusion line produces high-quality pipes up to 500 mm in diameter. Yet they're not restricted to that size. Various diameters can be programmed based on project demands. The sequence begins with raw materials entering the twin-screw extruder. They're heated and melted so the melt can be extruded. This output is then formed into a pipe. Lastly, the extruded lines are cooled individually and cut to the specified length. Continuing onward, we discover the versatile Weimer shredding and briquetting machine, a powerhouse in the recycling sector. Driven by a robust engine, this impressive unit merges shredding and briquetting functions, converting waste into dense, environmentally friendly briquettes. Its cutting-edge design enables efficient handling of diverse materials from plastics to wood, delivering a complete waste reduction solution. Weimer shredding and briquetting stands out because it manages both tasks within a single unified system. This streamlined approach yields valuable briquettes for multiple industries while minimizing waste volume. By turning trash into reusable assets, the machine strongly supports circular economy goals. Though sustainability is paramount, Weimer's shredding and briquetting performance, flexibility, and material recovery make it a game-changer in recycling. Let's delve into the advanced features of Jording Machinery Company Ltd., a key contender in recycling. Powered by a strong engine, this equipment precisely granulates plastics into tiny pieces suitable for reuse. Contemporary engineering ensures effective material breakdown, promoting eco-friendly plastic waste reduction. Jording Machinery Company Ltd. excels due to its exact plastic granulation, enabling unmatched recycling efficiency across plastic types. Next in our overview is Eco-Green Equipment, a trailblazer in tire recycling technology. Fueled by a sturdy engine, this system focuses on processing and recycling used tires, turning them into useful materials. Eco-Green Equipment's forward-thinking design guarantees effective tire shredding and granulation, aiding sustainable tire waste management. What sets Eco-Green Equipment apart is its commitment to tackling the ecological issues of discarded tires. Its impact includes converting old tires into recycled rubber for diverse industrial uses. The productivity improvements from Eco-Green Equipment help lessen tire waste's environmental footprint and supply essential resources for manufacturing. Moving to the next segment, we meet Norsk Hydro, a major force in aluminum recycling. Powered by a high-performance engine, this robust machine handles aluminum scrap processing and recycling, supporting sustainable metal management. The smart design provides efficient sorting and treatment, optimizing aluminum recovery from multiple sources. Norsk Hydro's distinction comes from its specialized aluminum recycling focus, meeting growing needs for eco-conscious metal supply. Its value reaches beyond by lowering aluminum production's environmental toll through recycled inputs. Norsk Hydro's efficiency enhancements not only simplify aluminum recycling but also promote resource preservation and energy conservation. Using a double-action Repcon hydraulic deep drawing press, the company forms round blanks or coil stock into cylinder halves. After degreasing the edges, Repcon trimming and joggling tools prepare them for body seam welding. Body bases and valve boss welding employ submerged arc welding, with consistent weld quality ensured by automated systems featuring reliable power supplies and control modules. Foot rings and valve guard rings are welded via the MIG/MAG method. Before cooling, cylinders are placed in a heat treatment furnace set at 930 degrees C. Shot blasting is done on surfaces before painting or zinc spraying, and pneumatic leak testing equipment is used to check for leaks after the vessels are linked using torque-controlled screwing machines. Known for producing high-pressure gas cylinders for use in the oil and gas, chemical, and healthcare industries, Zhangshan Steel Cylinder is a well-known Chinese producer. To make sure that its products fulfill international safety standards, the company uses cutting-edge technology and places a high priority on quality control. The cylinders are manufactured using state-of-the-art equipment and techniques, including cutting-edge welding technologies and precision machining processes. The company uses cutting-edge tools and processes, employs skilled engineers, and uses premium steel materials to prevent corrosion and improve their appearance. The cylinders go through finishing procedures, including painting and coating, after they are manufactured. Liag Gas is a top supplier of premium high-pressure gas cylinders for a range of sectors such as aviation, oil and gas, and healthcare. The business employs cutting-edge production processes to guarantee that its goods fulfill safety regulations and offer the best possible performance. A strict procedure is used in the production of EA gas high-pressure gas cylinders to guarantee both quality and safety. Design and material selection, which are determined by variables like pressure rating, volume, and intended application, are the first steps in the process. The materials chosen, including alloys of steel or aluminum, follow industry guidelines. Valve, regulator, and fitting components are manufactured individually and then combined into the cylinder body. Accurate dimensions and tolerances are achieved via a variety of machining techniques with the use of specialist machinery. The cylinder body is produced to ensure minimum porosity and maximum strength. Further machining processes are carried out to smooth out surface flaws and get it ready for final assembly once it's been manufactured. Now let us move to turnkey LPG cylinder. They use the rock technique for their machinery design and production. This is also their secret in manufacturing one of the most known LPG cylinder production lines. Rock Technic is producing all kinds of LPG production line machinery with the intention of being efficient. They make sure that they use state-of-the-art machinery from the shaping of the raw materials, welding, down to the testing of the LPG cylinder, material selection, design and tooling, sheet metal forming, pressure testing, final inspection, and packing are some of the phases in the Sander LPG cylinder production process. Typically, the cylinder's neck is constructed of stainless steel or brass while the body is made of aluminum or steel. After that, the design is made with computer-aided design (CAD) software, taking into account extra features like valves or fittings as well as variables like volume and wall thickness. The body and neck of the cylinder are formed by bending, shaping, flanging, beating, and welding sheet metal that is cut from big rolls using a shear machine. Adequate alignment and welding necessitate meticulous attention to detail. Before the completed cylinders are packaged and sent to consumers, risk testing is done. This entails assessing the integrity of the cylinder, detecting internal pressure, and looking for leaks. If any problematic cylinders are discovered, they are fixed or replaced prior to undergoing another test point. One of the top producers of high-pressure gas cylinders LPG is Gweld Company Ltd. Decoiling, leveling, and circle blanking are steps in the manufacturing process that result in circles that are deep drawn to form halves. After that, the halves are prepared for welding by being necked, polished, trimmed, and punched. Subsequently, the cylinders undergo circumferential welding, an essential process for ensuring the quality of the seam welding. The cylinders next undergo surface treatment, shot blasting, zinc spraying, heat treatment, and furnace stress alleviation. There's also the option of electrostatic painting. The cylinder is tested in water to ensure air tightness following drying and valve installation. The cylinder can be used to sell associated company information if the tightness is deemed satisfactory. High-pressure gas cylinder manufacturing technology is used in the production of Saga LPG cylinders to provide optimal durability and safety. A hydraulic press or blow molding machine is used to make the cylinder body, which is then cut and deburred to remove defects. The neck is machined to fit the valve and other fittings after it's created independently and welded to the body. After installing the valve on the neck, the regulator and additional accessories are fitted before assembly. The valve is checked for leaks in operation. Finally, all components are assembled together and the cylinder is pressure tested to meet safety standards. That's it for today's video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Until next time, stay tuned and keep exploring the world of construction machinery. Fast.